Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Let's play Trailmakers video. So let's go ahead and go Trailmakers. And I made actually a tank this morning. So I just want to show it to you guys. Let's go ahead and single player. Let's go to the test. So, here's the tank I was talking about. If you press G, then you press K. Press L. So yeah, that's my tank. Let me show you the other thing I want to see. It is, yeah. Did I already talk about the rocket ship? Okay, who cares? Let's go back. Here it is. If you press space. I like the design I made. Like I knew. Oh, it's right there. Let's see if I land. Bro, I can't see. Oh, here it is. Falling down real fast. And we're gonna land. I see my shadow. Okay. Here's the other thing I wanted to show you, which was my monster truck I made. And whiskers, maybe don't have engines on the front. Yeah, stops really good. Definitely doesn't stop like that. Okay. And I did say next Trailmakers video, I'm gonna make a race car. Oh, I went on the racetrack. Who cares? Okay, let's start building. Okay. First of all, I need a seat. Just like that. Don't tell me that's going by itself. Yeah, I just went by itself. My rocket ship's still not down yet. Okay, who cares? Let's add 2 seats. Like that. And then let's put some aerodynamics on the front. Well, just like that. Then we'll put it like that right there. And then let's go ahead and put a 4x8. Put it right there. It's starting to look good. Now isn't this too long? I think it's too long. Well, maybe. I got other ideas. Let's put something like this. Yeah, it's way smaller. It's just one smaller than a 4x8. So, and then let's go ahead and, oh yeah, we have to put our wheels, right? What kind of wheels should we put? Wait, gotta put these first. Let's put like right there. Then just like that. Let's add our wheels. Where's the racing wheel? Racing wheel. Racing wheel. Just like that. Let's add our. Let's actually walk something. And do that, like just like that, and then add our spoiler. Oh yeah, we gotta put. This game needs so much stuff. I want that thing with it. I don't know what it's called. It's not here. Ugh. Should we just keep it like this? And then with the spoiler? I don't think that's cool. Let's add this. It's too bad. No. Let's move this. That. Put this right there. And it's right there. Ugh. It's not connected. Just why does this have to? this won't work out how I would want it to work out. So we're gonna add these. Well, it's better than nothing. So, oh yeah, we have to put our engines. Let's put our engines like right there. I'll put 2 engines because I want it strong. And then let's see how it goes. Another engine. Actually, let's put 4 engines. I want the blues together. Like that. That's what I wanted. Okay. Just get it for a spin. I actually thought it was going to be faster. Because my tank goes maybe 200. Or was that? Yeah, I think that was my tank. Let me just save this real quick. I want to see. Here's my tank. It goes faster. Yeah, it goes faster. What if my tank goes faster? Can't my tank beat my race car? So just go ahead and make my race car how I like it. Okay. Ugh. There we go. Now, let's go ahead. Oh yeah. I gotta move this stuff. Yeah, we gotta move it. Oh, this stuff right here. On the back. Yeah, gotta move it. We gotta put another one of these right here. Then get this. Bruh. Delete. And then get this. Get over here. Yeah, get down, bro. That's not how I want it. Okay, now let's put this right here, and then this right here. Wait, no! Part 2. I mean, this is